Atlona Avance Series of HDMI extender kits are the latest generation of reliable HDBaseT extenders for 4K UHD AV signals. To provide increased performance and reliability, the Avance Series includes key features and technologies to ensure video transmission integrity and quality. The series includes models with a variety of powering and extension distance options, plus integration-friendly features to benefit any application. Let's highlight a few examples. Conference room. Transmit 4K UHD content from a laptop or room PC to the flat panel display at the front of the room. Classroom. Transmit 4K UHD content from an instructor computer to a projector or flat panel display. Residential. Advanced integration features ensure transmission of content to a remote TV at resolutions up to 4K UHD. Several key features have been included in the Avance series. EDID filtering prevents extension of unsupported resolutions to increase the integrity of video transmission. Clock stretching improves the interoperability with legacy and low-quality HDMI video sources. HDBaseT link test enables easy verification of cabling, termination, and link quality at the point of install. Flexible powering. Kits are available with either local power supplies, remote where transmitter powers receiver, or bidirectional BP, where power is supplied by either the transmitter or the receiver. Control data options. Avance offers kits with no control, extension of RS-232 and IR, or extension of Ethernet RS-232 and IR. Distance options. Extend 4K UHD 60Hz 420 at distances up to either 40 meters or 100 meters over category 6A or 7. Want to see if Avance is right for you? Check out the Atlona Extender Kit Comparison Guide online at atlona.com/Avance.